how do we get the government to support the digital space? How do we get government to enhance, to understand from the things you've been explaining to us, farming and all of this, the digital space brings us closer. It connects us, the farmers, the manufacturers.
The technology now is there because the underground cable is there, and it is being sent to all parts of the country. You can check. I think even Arua now may already be having the underground cable. That's the infrastructure which is crucial. Yes, I closed Facebook. Nilifunga. Because they were idiots. They thought they could insult us, play around with us, and we would not close them. We closed them. And I waited for the cows not to go to graze. The cows are going to graze. Fishermen are fishing. Uganda is continuing. Because like 5 years ago, forgot about it. So we want to put discipline among them. There is no other issue. Otherwise, if they behave well, fairly, we shall open them up. We have no problem.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.